If you're looking to make a name for yourself in the business world, then you need to know about these 25 leadership requirements. They're essential for anyone who wants to be seen as a leader in their company. So whether you're just starting out or you've been in the workplace for years, pay close attention because this information could be the key to your success. Welcome to the channel, Leadership with Mike. On this channel, I help you become a more confident leader, and I do this with no nonsense sense, if that makes any sense. And before we get busy, in the description is a free leadership assessment tool to help you see where you should focus on this list. Okay, let's go. Number 1, communication skills. Clear and effective communication is essential for a manager to lead and motivate their team. Get it? Number 2, time management. Effective time management is crucial for a manager to achieve their goals and to meet deadlines. Number 3, delegation. Knowing how to delegate tasks and responsibilities is a key aspect of managing a team. Number 4, problem solving. Managers must be able to identify and solve problems quickly and efficiently. Number 5, leadership skills in general. A manager must possess strong leadership skills to inspire and to guide the team. Number 6 is emotional intelligence, also known as EQ. Understanding and managing emotions is important for building strong relationships with team members. But this also counts towards you knowing your own emotions and being able to manage those. We're going quick. Number 7, conflict resolution. Managers must be able to resolve conflicts between team members and maintain a positive work environment. Number 8, team building. A manager must be able to build and maintain a high-performing team to be successful. Number 9, goal setting. Managers must be able to set clear and achievable goals for their team to help them stay focused and to help them stay motivated. Number 10, performance management. Managers must regularly assess the performance of their team and provide feedback and coaching. Number 11, budgeting and financial management. A manager must understand budgeting and must understand financial management principles in order to make informed decisions. Number 12, decision-making skills. Managers must be able to make informed decisions quickly and under pressure. Number 13, project management. A manager must have strong project manager skills to lead and deliver projects on time and within budget. We're halfway there. 14, diversity and inclusion. A manager must understand and promote diversity and inclusion in the workplace. Number 15, recruitment and selection. A manager must have the skills to identify and select the best candidates for their team or for the project they're working on. Number 16, training and development. A manager needs to be able to identify and provide training and development opportunities for their team. Number 17 is change management. This one can be hard. A manager must be able to effectively manage change within their team, within their organization. Number 18, employee relations. A manager must be able to understand and maintain positive employee relations in order to foster a positive work environment. Number 19, this is getting me stressed, but stress management. A manager must be able to manage their own stress and help their team members manage their stress as well. Number 20, negotiation skills. A manager must be able to negotiate effectively to achieve desired outcomes. This can be negotiating with your team, your supervisor, the stakeholders, customers. It's a big skill. Number 21 is customer service. A manager must understand and prioritize customer service to meet the needs of the clients and customers, because without them, you have no business and you have nothing to manage. Number 22 is quality control. As a manager, you must be able to ensure that the team is working to meet high standards of quality. 23, we're almost there. Compliance with laws and regulations. A manager must be aware and comply with relevant laws and regulations. What are the employment laws in your area? That kind of stuff. 24, technical knowledge. A manager must have a solid understanding of the industry and the technical aspects of their role. And 25, maybe, like you, this video made you feel overwhelmed. Overwhelm is something a manager must have to learn to deal with. And in this video, that's what I talk about. Get your coffee. We'll see you there. I need a break.